Hello. In this video, I will show you how to integrate ARForms with AffiliatePress. Now, go to the AffiliatePress settings page. Open the Integrations tab. This is the AffiliatePress integration page. Here you can see 22 plus default integrations. Enable ARForms integration and click to Save button. Save the changes, now go to the Affiliates page. This is the AffiliatePress Affiliates page. Here you can see all the affiliate users for this site. Using an affiliate link, the customer visits your website. Now go to the ARForms Manage Form page. This is the ARForms Manage Forms page. Here you can see the form list. Now add new form, otherwise edit existing form. Add some common form field, one number field for amount, and also add card detail field. Now open the other options. General Options page. Go to the bottom side and enable the AffiliatePress option. Click to OK button, and after that save your changes. Now open the affiliate user copied link and open the ARForms form page. This is the ARForms. Enter the basic details. Enter all detail, then click to Submit button. Form successfully submitted. Now go to the AffiliatePress commission page. This is the AffiliatePress commission page. Here, you can see all the commission-related records. See, the first record is ARForms commission. Go to the Affiliate User Affiliate panel. This is the AffiliatePress Affiliate panel. Now open the Commission tab. Here you can see the affiliate user commission records and other details. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel